Hi, in this training, we're going to take a look at our Employees tab. Now within our Employees tab, we are going to have two ways that we can add new employees to our database. First way is going to be adding them directly into RedTeam itself. We're going to select Add Employee, and we're going to make sure to fill out our form and make sure that all of the necessary fields are filled in. Again, those are going to be fields that are notated by an orange asterisk. Next way, if we have a mass list of employees that we would like to upload, we can import our employees. With this option, we are going to download our spreadsheet, fill in the indicated cells for that spreadsheet, and then re-upload that sheet back into RedTeam and import those employees. To access an individual employee's profile, we're simply going to find them in our list and select their name. Once in our employee profile, we're going to land on the Profile tab. From here, we can edit any of our employee information, starting up at the top with general information. This is going to be their username, their position, their first, last name, their email address. Again, we're going to want to just make sure that we have all the information with this orange asterisk, and then we do have some additional fields that you can fill in. Next is going to be their location. You can type in a location for each employee. You can also use the company address for their location, and this will auto fill in that company address for them. Next is where you're going to assign roles for your employees. You're going to select the Add Role button, and here you can add roles to this employee's profile. Next section, you're going to see different preferences. Next is our payroll section. Here, you're going to be able to assign them to a company division if needed, dictate what their labor category is, their workers' compensation, and their hourly rate if needed. Next, you'll see company credit cards. Here, you can assign configured company credit cards to an employee. Our security section allows you to assign a password and then also send out login credentials to a specific user if they've maybe forgot how to log in. If they forgot their username and password, you can send in their login credentials. And then last, you can add any credentials to an employee. Again, you would just come over here to this Add Credentials button. And then if you ever need to inactivate an employee, you will simply check this mark right here. If you need any correspondences to be forwarded to another person, from this drop-down menu, you'll be able to select from your employee list who those correspondences will be forwarded to. Once all your changes are made, you want to be sure to scroll back to the top of our page and select our Save button. To their time, this is where employees can add time, expenses, view any assigned equipment, and then also add any expertise. To navigate back to our employee overview page, you can simply click the blue Employees right up here at the top, or click the Employees tab on the left-hand side. On our overview page, we are going to be able to see our employee list, any time for all of our employees, and then any expenses.